Hey, my rockin' Cardinals, it is time for math again. So, if you remember yesterday in math, our job was to practice our teen numbers, to count the say 10 way, and we also made Reckon Ricks. That was so much fun. So, today in math, we're going to be continuing our teen numbers. You're going to be showing me those teen numbers, counting and writing numbers 11 to 20. We're going to be looking at those in tower configurations, and we're going to be adding one more. Yes, we're going to be increasing by one and finding that pattern of one more. Very good. So we're going to get started today in math by counting the say 10 way. Yes, we're going to use our Reckon Rick. Here we go, and count with me. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. See that color difference? That's why the beads are different colors. It's showing you 5 and one more. That's right. Make 6. Let's keep counting. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Now we're going to continue. We're going to count the say 10 way and count with me. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10. That's right. 10, 10. Think about what that number is. 10, 10. Yes, 20. The regular way we say that number is 20. 20 means you have two tens. Very good job counting the say 10 way. Now we're going to play a game called Show One More. Yeah, this is going to be a really fun game. So for this game, Miss Naki is going to show you a number on your Reckon Rick. I want you in your mind to visualize what one more would look like, and then I want you to whisper that number, or you can say it out loud. Are you ready? Okay, so Miss Nakian sees 3. So when I visualize one more, that would be 4. You're right. So Miss Nakian is going to go ahead and draw that. 3 and one more would be 4. Okay, so Miss Nakian is going to show you a new number. I want you to visualize one more and shout it out. Okay, I'm going to have you put it in a bubble and then shout it out. Here we go. Show one more. I'm going to give you some think time. Okay, put your number in a bubble. What would one more be? Snap. Did you say the number out loud? Yes, when Miss Nakian says snap, I want you to say the number out loud. So, did you say the number 14? So smart. That's right, because we had 13. We had 10, 3, and one more would be the number 14. Okay, so Miss Nakian is going to give you some think time to count, and then you're going to put your answer in your bubble. Ready? Okay, think about the number you see. One more. Good, put it in your bubble. I'm going to say snap, but I want you to whisper or shout it out. Ready? Did you say 16? Oh, you're so smart. That's right, because we had 10, 5, which is 15. One more would give us our 16. Very good. Let's keep going. Oh, this one's easy. I think you have your answer in your bubble, right? Snap. Yeah. Did you say 2? Very good. 1 and one more would give us 2. All right, count some think time. One more. Visualize, picture it in your mind. One more. Snap. Did you say 12? Yes, how did you know it was 12? Well, if you counted your Reckon Rick, you saw that you had 10 which is 11, and you know that one more would give us 12, because that would give us 10 to 12. Okay, ooh, let's look at this one. One more. Answer in your bubble. Ready? Snap. Did you say 5? Very good, because 4 and one more give us the number 5. Yes, on our Reckon Rick. Good job. Okay, I'll give you some think time. Visualize one more. Snap. Did you say 15? Oh, such great counters and thinkers. That's right, because 10, 4, when I add one more, that would give me 10, 5, 15. Okay, think, look at your Reckon Rick. Count. Visualize one more. Put your answer in your bubble. Are you ready? Snap. That's right, 13. We had 10, 2, which is 12. One more is 13. That would give us 10, 3. Okay, let's look at our Reckon Rick. Ooh, this is a tricky one. It's challenging. Think time. Visualize one more. Snap. Oh, look at this one. I hope you said 18. That's right, because we have 10, 7, which is 17, and one more would give us 18. Now we'd have 10, 8. Okay, next one. Count. Visualize one more. Snap. Oh, I hope you said 9. That's right. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. One more would give us that 9. Okay, next one. Visualize. Answer in your bubble. Snap. Good. I hope you said 13. There you go. We had 10, 2. One more is 13. Okay, we're going to move on to practicing. It says you say it the Say 10 way. Oh, this is going to be a fun game. Miss Nakia is going to say the number the regular way, and you're going to say it the Say 10 way. And I just want you to yell it out. So if Miss Nakia says the number, and I'll circle it for you. If I say 11, I want you to say 10, 1. Okay, are you ready to play? Here we go. Remember, you say the number the Say 10 way. 12. That's right. 10, 2. 13. That's right. 10, 3. 17. That's right. 10, 7. Miss Anki is going to snap twice to help you remember to say the 10 and your extra ones. Here we go. 19. Yeah, 10, 9. Very good. 16. That's right. 10, 6. 18. Yes, you should have said 10, 8. We're going to keep going. 15. 10, 5. 14. 10, 4. So smart. Last one. Ooh, this is our challenge. 20. Did you say 10, 10? That's right, because 20 is 2 10s. Very good job saying your numbers to Say 10 way. Okay, we have a problem today about Mary. Mary has 10 toy trucks. Ooh, look how nice and neat. They're in a little toy box and they're in nice rows. Yes, you see that? We have a row of 5 and a row of 5, sort of like a 10 frame. She told her mom she likes to spread them out on the floor. She does. When Mary plays with those trucks, she likes to spread them out all over the floor and have a good old time. Let's spread those 10 trucks out. Yeah, she likes to play and sort of makes a mess all over the floor, right? She said she doesn't like to put them away neatly in the toy box because then there are fewer toys. Do you think that makes sense? She said she doesn't like to put them away neatly in the toy box because then there are fewer toys. Do you agree with Mary's thinking? Even if when she puts them back in neatly, is she still going to have 10? Yes, it doesn't matter how she puts them back in the toy box, right? Let's draw a picture to prove to Mary that the number of toy trucks is the same when they are all spread out as when they are all in the little toy box. So right now we have 10. Let's touch and count those again. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, they're all spread out and they're all in a huge circle and array in this 10. But when we move them back in our toy box, we're going to put them in a neat row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right, we still have 10. Our number didn't change. Just because we spread them out or we line them up nice and neat, sort of like in a 10 frame, we still have the number 10. That number does not change. So if you want to, on a piece of paper, you could write 10 and you could draw 10 trucks in neat rows, and then you could draw 10 trucks all scattered to show Mary that it doesn't matter how you put your trucks, it's still the number 10. That number does not change. We didn't add any. And did we take any away? No, we played with them and we put them right back. So Miss Saki is going to show you a tower now. And today, remember, we're talking about one more. I have a tower over here of 10. Yes, I have 10. If Miss Suncan adds one more over here, see this cube over here, 1, that number becomes, you got it, just like our reckon, but we're using a tower. 10, one more is 11. Very good. I want you to say that with Miss Suncan out loud. Say that with me. 10, one more is 11. Very good. Now watch what Miss Suncan's going to do. I am going to leave that 11. And again, we're going to practice visualizing. That means I want you to picture the number in your mind, okay? So let's go to that. Now I have 11 because I have a 10, 10, 1, 11. What happens if we would add one more? Do you have it in your mind? Very good. When we add one more, now we have 10, 2. So Ms. Nakhan's going to write 12 right here. 11, one more is 12. Very good thinking. Okay, let's try one more. So now we're going to visualize what the next number would be. Okay, here we go. Ms. Nakhan has a 10, 2. So we have 12, remember? 12, one more. You got it, very good. Now we have the number 13. Okay, we're going to keep practicing this in our problem set today. Our job